Hi guys, today I am going to show you the how to change the profile from studioX to studio. Yesterday I have showed you the how to change profile from studio to studioX. So now today I am going to show you how to change studioX to studio. So first I will open studio. So now it will open the studio, and from that I will show you. Let me open the Uipath studio first. So this window will come. You need to click on close button. Then you can see this is the studio. So first I will go to the studio one. Then from there I will show you. Suppose here you are in studio X. So okay, now you are in studio X community edition. So now if you want to go back to the studio, so then how you will go to studio, so that I will show you. For that you need to click on setting button first. Then in the setting you need to click on license and profile. After that you need to click on here view or change profile. Once you click on view or change profile, it will show this window. The choose the profile, which profile you need to switch. So like previously I was there in studioX, so now I will choose the Uipath studio. So it will change the profile. So this message is coming and showing that profile was changed. Do you want to restart now? So click on yes. It will change your profile. So now you can do your work in studio. On this way we are going to switch the profile from UI UiPath X to UiPath Studio. So now you can choose the processes, you can create libraries, you can take a template for the create project, or you can open any existing project from open a local project like that. So this is how we can change it, the profile. So I request guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel. I will create more video. Thank you very much.